Morning, guys. Okay, so quick video just reminding everybody how intervals look on the staff. Okay, so if it's on, that's too thick, everybody. Okay, if it's on the treble clef staff, our harmonic intervals are always going to be stacked. Remember, they'll be vertically stacked, so one on top of the other. Harmonic. If they're melodic, remember harmony is one thing after another. Harmony is the singable part. Mary had a little lamb. You can read a melody like you read a book, left to right. So if it's melodic, they'll look like that, left to right. Left to right, okay? If you're doing, I put the cheat sheet on the blog so you can see thirds, fourths, fifths, seconds. Remember, it just shows you what they look like when they're harmonic, so stacked vertically, but the same rules apply. So for a second, it's always going to be line to space or space to line. Okay, you start counting with the first one, the space would be 1, and then that line would be 2, 1, 2, so that has to be a second. If it's harmonic, hear Riley giggling. If it's harmonic, seconds are going to touch, and if it's melodic, they're going to have a little bit of space in between them. Okay, for the quiz, I made it so that you could put harmonic or melodic for those, just so you know. So if you can't tell if there's space in between it, it's okay. For thirds, it's always going to be line to line or space to space. And that's melodic. If they're harmonic, remember they look like a snowman that just doesn't have its head on. For fourth, oops, sorry, my dog's digging in the backyard. For fourths, you'll have a line to a space or a space to a line, and there's space in between the two notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. The space in between those two notes is a fourth. For a fifth, you'll have a line to a line with space in between, or a space to a space with space in between. It kind of looks like a snowman who got his belly knocked out and he magically levitates his head. Okay, so quick review of intervals and you are off to the races. Today's assignment is identifying intervals as either harmonic or melodic, H or M, and then giving the number that represents the space in between. So if it was a harmonic second, you would put H2. If it's a melodic third, you would put M3. The pictures are all up there in the form, but sometimes the form takes a long time to load pictures. So I also put a copy of the 16 intervals on my blog. Okay, all right. Have a good day, guys.